Good morning and welcome to the channel. So on the channel, it's kind of simple what we try to do. We try to fill the trailer, find some treasures in the process, and we do have a dig pile to start off. It's a weird situation. I guess they had sprinkler right here or something, but that pile over there, nothing. This pile actually has things. I did glance through it, kind of see what we were working with to begin the morning off, but we're gonna try our best to zip out the screws in this one. Man, y'all even get to see me tear something down already this morning, but no. Hope everybody had a safe 4th of July. Ours was something. Up. You chill right there for a second. And all right, we should be good. Should be able to get it all out now. No, still got more on this one. A little complex, little booger. And up you go. Now, if I'm actually in a groove with these, I can tear down these pretty quick. They're worth your time though. They really are. Call that good enough for me. What about y'all? All right, let's get it put back together. So now, I didn't break the glass thing. The only thing we're gonna go down and cinch these screws back down. Nothing too special with how you do these. And you don't have to get them all. 90% of them. A little bit of them. Ta-da! And these are your goodies. Now, I would almost leave the board behind, but being that you're in it, you might as well take it. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Now that that's out of the way. Vroom, vroom. I think a dog just got mad at me, yo. That's plastic. Plastic. That's metal. Some aluminum. guess it's aluminum. Give it a check. No. Magnetic. You can go back in here now. Nothing in there. Working our way around. Well, it's seen better days, hasn't it? That's heavier than I thought. Come on. You'll be okay. Oh yeah. Somebody's already back on the back side of it over here. Sorry. Ooh, bug. No cable to this one. All this stuff got soaked by something. We didn't get rain, so it's definitely not the rain. Man, the dogs are still barking. I don't know how much longer I got here before one of the homeowners come out and go, hey, chill out. Come on, moving down this way. I think that's going to be about it, really. No, that's aluminum. Hey, you got a cord on you, don't you? And a fan motor. That is, we're gonna call that good enough, my friends. We've got a good day ahead of us. Hopefully we can make some progress, find some good stuff, have a little bit of fun in the process. So stay tuned. Maybe we can get somewhere, find some cool things. Well, this is a no-brainer. We'll get that. That looks to be about it, really. Empty boxes. Actually, a decent folding chair. I mean, table, isn't it? That's worth taking, isn't it? We take it. We take it. Oh, it's a heavy one too. All right, cooler. All right, now for the fun one. The treadmill. Even these wood chairs, that's pretty snazzy. Oh, my wife would want them. She's got enough chairs, yo. We do got wheels on the front, maybe, hopefully. It's broke right here. We'll take that, won't we? They're actually decent. Oh. No, they're not. Not really. They got some wiggle. Yeah, we'll leave them. I'm gonna move this one over here, but other than that, we'll take the treadmill for sure. We got one of these wind making it happen or doohickey thingies. And a sledge. A bit loose. Beat something with it. These metal shelves, man, they're normally so light. They're like, yeah, no, they're paper thin. But we got room. We can manage for now. And kind of my thought process on it. May come back and bite us. We'll see. It may be fine. Don't know yet. We got us a water heater and a cast aluminum grill. The play is to put it here and we'll go ahead and get a strap across it. Go and just walk it. Well, that's the thing. I got some Christmas lights too. I guess I'll grab them while I'm over here. I didn't know there's that many Christmas lights. Oh, it's coming out of the bag. Now, I guess we got a whole bag of Christmas lights. That's got to go with us. All right, let's walk. Come on. Come on. The bottom is done rusted out of it, so it's not wanting to rock as easily, I guess. The bottom is not wanting to cooperate with us. I guess they want it right there. Over the ledge you go. Alright. Looking grease now. Alright, we're gonna get this off, hopefully. We're gonna look at the grill, take care of the Christmas lights. So these are the grates. There's a piece of copper in here too. It's just all in pieces. Okay. It's a thing. That is a piece of copper, What we got in here? Plastic chains. Where are those? Ah. Air return vents. That goes there. That goes there. So for everybody that's new, my yard only pays like 4 cents a pound for lights, Christmas lights. So they go in shred. You get paid better for them. We'll throw the grill. I don't want to put it on the back just yet. Let's go right here for now. gonna take a little bit, get a strap across the water heater. Wow, I didn't say hot water heater. Man, y'all made an impression on me there. Squish. And just to kind of keep it from moving, go and try to get that off. It's a good stop though. Well, this weed whacker has seen better days. Weed eater, weed whacker, weed smacker, weed thing. That's plastic. That is not plastic. Convertible style. That wasn't that quick. I mean, that long we had to make room. All right, now up and over. Well, we're finding some bigger things, aren't we? All right. I may zip off these sides actually, real quick. A bed with wheels. Okay. Come here, girl. The wheels are very, very aggravating. Me, the word I'm going to use. Turn it this way. No, the wheels are still just as aggravating. Not as bad though. These actually had a bolt in them. I don't think I've ever seen them bolted, but we still made them convertible style. What are you trying to do? Oh, that. You come undone. Yeah. Well, the heck said you do. Oh, well. One more piece of the metals at this stop. I guess oh, battery. I did not see the battery. The silver edition. Oh, I don't want to put it on the table. I don't want to put it on my water neither over there. Don't let me forget it. It's on the back of the trailer. I just don't have great places for it currently. What is that? A cooler. I was actually about to ask myself, how did I get so much room right there? But the girl just decided that it didn't want to be close anymore. I got to get the cord on it, but I want to turn it so I can put stuff in it. I mean, I could do that with the grill too, to be fair, but empty. Kind of parked in a little bit in the road, but it's kind of hard to get really beside it when you got a big brush pile. But I gotta say, what are you made out of? Be free. Oh, got a little cleaning up to do on this one. Not a lot though. Oh, it's got a lot of water in it, man. I don't want to ruin the table. Table's taking up a little bit more real estate than I thought it would, to be fair. All right, well, we're stopped again, and I gotta cut that cord. I need a little bit of room because what I've seen is something that I definitely want to get because, well, it's metal and we like metal. So I need to try to make a little bit of room here because I don't know really how much room I need, but we'll go and take a look at what I've seen. So seeing this over here. Oh, that's here too. I thought I was only getting this. There's the fan. That's plastic. Look at them things. That's what got me on the last video, yo. Look at that one. I gotta watch out for that. It's just the prickly, pokely thingy. All right. Just kind of. Ooh, how heavy are they? Are they heavy? I don't find this stuff often as far as like. Oh, no, it's not bad. Just drag it over there. My thoughts right here. Sound like a good idea, right? All right. Come on. You go up here. I need you to cooperate, Mr. Grill. The wheel thing. I need to take that refrigerator up. You can do it. Sweet. Told you could do it, Mr. Grill. A little cooperation. We got a hole? No. Leave that down just in case. Oh, it's protected by the briars. Success. Well, I think we're getting a load today. Still got the fan. What do they call these? Evaporator coils, I think. All right, now briars. Cooperation is key for success. All right. That's actually heavier than the other thing that we had. Sweating eyeball. It burns. All right, I'm just gonna put some of this words. I'm gonna put this up here like that. See, perfect. The coil, it can go, it's not that heavy actually. Oh, sweating eyeball still burns. will be cutting this off with a sawzaw, taking that. I'm not gonna be able to take it. What does that say? By design. Letters by design. It's pretty cool, actually. These are aluminum, seems to be. Under the trailer. I really like those. Just because there's no specific name, letters really isn't a name. That's actually pretty cool, y'all. Probably realistically one of the most expensive things I've seen today out here. And I can't even get it. And I don't know what I would do with it, really. I don't. Like, all this is aluminum too. There's the power cables for them. I'm not cutting none of this. Yeah, I'm not like, I understand that it may just go to somebody's scrap bin, but you know, it's not gonna be me. It's just too cool. I like it. I probably would take it if I actually had room. I'm gonna take a picture though, just because. I may actually go and unload and try to come back and grab them. So the letter part's plastic, the back part's aluminum, but at any rate, those are cool. Same road as the sign and the other thing. I took pictures, sent them to my wife. She's probably gonna tell me to go back and get it, but I'd have to go home, unload a good bit of this. Not really sure, but we did swap gloves. Strange. I think I picked up something like this before. Didn't know what it was then. Don't know what it was now. Oh. I'm gonna go get my cutters. Maybe they'll just come off. Who knows? No, they're not that well. That won't. Nope. I'm gonna go get my cutters, cut that. We'll continue. I was actually wondering if we were gonna get us a folding chair today, and we got us a few. There's our typical, you know, the almost guarantee. Yes, ma'am. She was asking what all I took. She had, I think she said she had like an old TV and stuff like that. And I told her that I don't take them. And the reason I told her that is because, well, I technically don't take them. I just take the guts. So, a fan may just be like it is today. I got this one too. Non-magnetic. And now this one. Lotus. Bad for crops. Kind of ugly things for real, but how do you work? It's got a lever. I did that. There it goes. find a home for you. We can make it work. Perfect. Site for sore eyes, trampoline. Don't. It'll take a little bit of time, a little bit of effort to get everything on here though, but hey, we'll make it. There we go. Good weight. It's gonna add pretty good weight to this load. So we've already got some weight with it anyway, but hey, why not a little bit more, right? We're almost into the restrapping it territory. Which is always an awesome thing. But we are still kind of early, believe it or not. So I was looking at the clock a minute ago and I'm like, well, we're doing the thing. But we are 80% done with the route already this morning. So oh yes. And we're probably already sitting about $60 today. Like, and that's not including the table if I go to sell it, or the ACR, or any of that stuff. Which I gotta get a sawzaw after it anyway, so it's not ready anyway. What are you? Coffee pot. And I'll grab you in a second. Let me finish up with these. Springs. I need a place for the springs. On here. About time for me to get a new head mount. This one isn't no longer given the right compression to kind of keep it from sliding down my forehead. So it's kind of annoying, to be fair. And I've tried to tighten it up. I have. Three more. I'm gonna spend a smidge of the time just kind of cleaning up around here, so not really something that y'all have to stick around for. So got a little bit of something, not a lot, you know, just little pieces here and there. That's kind of where we make our stand, right? We'll add it to the collection, keep on going. One glove. Good morning, dogs. Man, they really know how to just come to life. Well, we're gonna go ahead and head to the scrapyard. I think this load is 60 bucks. Did not get to the fan. It is what it is. Gonna go ahead and take the grill, got it processed down. Going to take the little bit of aluminum. Went ahead and we're gonna go ahead and take the wire. We're probably half full, I guess. And then the ACRs, I went ahead and processed that too. So went ahead and did a lot of things, kind of just to get it get it to a point, and yeah, we're gonna go see what it weighs, see what it pays, and see what the price for ACRs are. I haven't even checked them. I don't get those often. Busy today. I'll be right back. I'm gonna help this man out. Sorry about that, but I had something I didn't sit right with me, so I had to fix it. And yeah, no, like I said, they're kind of busy today, to be honest, but hey, business is booming. Call that good enough, I think. Well, as y'all can see, we're empty. So what happened at the scrapyard that made me turn the camera off? There's a young man beside me, and he was kind of, I'm not gonna say struggling, but he threw off like 2 aluminum rims, and yeah, I told him, you know, I just basically told him take them up top, he'll get more money. He got paid, I think, for those 2 rims, I think he like $12 a piece. So yeah, sorry. I know I kind of cut myself on some content, but at the same time I really wanted to help the person. So we are empty though, both sides, minus my waters. I gotta take them back inside and stuff, and I gotta get the trailer cleaned up. We're empty enough, but we actually got $121.80 out of this load. So number 2 insulated, we had 51 pounds, we had $33.15. The batteries, which we found today, was $3.70, 10 cents a pound. That's cheap. The copper and aluminum coil or radiator, however you want to say it, 13 pounds, $1.25, $16.25. I think that's an okay price. Cast aluminum for the grills, 30 cents a pound, $11.10. So, and then the scrap was 960 pounds out of today. That's pretty good. Ooh, scrap got hit hard, y'all. 6 cents a pound. That's 2 cents cheaper than we was. So $57.60. So we got hit pretty good on scrap. As far as the price, you know, that would have been $96 about 2 months ago. But what can you say? You still get out here, you still do the job, you still do the work, and do a little sweat equity, make a few dollars, have a little bit of fun, and maybe find some gems. So that's going to wrap us up today. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.